Hi everyone, I am teacher NC Malcolm, and today we will be looking at creating a letterhead. Now, the letterhead is a printed heading on a stationery, and it has information about a person or an organization, and this includes name and address. Additionally, when creating the letterhead, ensure that you have information for the company's name, address, email address, web page, telephone number, and logo. On your letterhead, as seen here, you will have all the information that I just mentioned. Word document. So open Microsoft Word, and then we will go about creating that document. And in Microsoft Word, as you see here, I went ahead and I already typed up the information that is required. I also went to Google and I searched for a picture that has to do with gym and fitness. So to search for your picture, you go to Google, type in whatever you're searching for. In my case, it's gym and fitness. Then I select images. All right, from this now I'll search to find an appropriate picture. I'll select one, then I can continue to search, and this is the one that I chose. Select the picture, right click, select copy image, and then you go to Microsoft Word, right click and select paste. When the picture comes up, if it is too large, then you can always adjust the size here. All right, so let's go to creating our letterhead. So say you're in Microsoft Word and you need to place the information at the appropriate place. So to create a letterhead, you go to Insert, then Header. When this comes up, you have options here. Choose the first one that says blank, and then it says type here. This information above the dotted line, this is where you will place your information. All right, so go back down here. We're going to be cutting this information. And of course, we go back to the header. We delete this data that says type here. We are going to be placing the information in the center. So we click our center alignment icon, and then we paste. All right, it's still not centered, so we highlight the data and we center. The next thing we need to do is to take the picture to the header. Before you do that, double click on the picture, right click on the picture, select wrap text. We are formatting the picture so we can move it around easily. Then we select behind text. And we move our picture to our letterhead. Ensure that the picture is about an inch away from your margin, so you don't want to have the picture all the way over there. And ensure that the picture is also about 1 inch all around or less. Next, we want to do some additional formatting to the picture. So we ensure that the picture is activated. Then we go to picture format and we have quick styles. And you can choose to use any of these styles to enhance the look of your picture. I'm going to be choosing this one. Alright, so that's my letterhead. One more thing to go for the letterhead. Double click again to activate it. Change the font color and size and font style of your first line. This is going to be enhancing the name of the company. So you want the name of the company to stand out. All right, so we are looking for an attractive font. All right, so we change the size to about 20 and the color, just choose an attractive color. We can bold and do other things with it. I'm gonna increase mine to about 24. All right, ensure also that the spacing that is below the web page address, that it is about one line spacing. So you can backspace and delete one of that space. All right, then go back to header and footer. You're going to be selecting different odd and even pages. When you select this, this will allow the header to be on page one only. So if you are using 2 pages, you don't want to have the header going to your second page. Let me show you here. You just want the header on one page. So to have it on one page only, you're going to be selecting different odd and even pages. And when we scroll down, notice we only have the header on one page. Alright, so this is it for creating a letterhead. After creation, please remember to like and subscribe. See you later.